wouldn't believe me if I tell you I fry akara every Saturday for me and my family. Hello, sweet fingers lovers. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Basse. And on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your akara without stress. You need just 4 ingredients to make this: your beans, your onion, fresh pepper, and salt or seasoning cube. But for me, I'm going in with salt. Make sure you pick your beans and then you're going to put it in your food processor or your blender for us to just peel off the shaft, just like the way I'm doing. Then I'm just going to allow this to just spin up for less than 30 seconds. After that, this is what we have. All we have to do is just wash this through a running water and all the shaft is just going to fall off, and this is what your beans should look like. So we're just going to put our beans inside our blender and allow it to blend until it is very smooth. So I'm just going to add water gradually because I don't want my paste to be too watery. I want it to take, and I want to be able to control the water. So I'm just going in with my water step by step until it gets to the consistency that I want. Now that our paste is ready, so I'm just going to pour it inside the bowl, just like what I'm doing. Then note, I'm going to add a little bit of water to this to loosen it up. So time for us to just mix this. We're just going to mix this. After that, we're just going to go in with our pepper, our grated pepper and onion. Mind you, there's onions mixed with the pepper. Then salt to taste or your seasoning cube, but I'm using salt. So we're just going to mix this until it is properly combined together. Time for us to deep fry this in a pot. Make sure your pot is a bit deep. Then you go in with your oil, and after that you're just going to add fresh onion to it. This gives your akara a different flavor entirely. So this is what my paste looks like. So we're just going to go in with this, just like as you can see, little by little. If you want your akara very big, feel free to adjust the quantity. When your akara is ready, you would know it will start to float and it's going to change its color from a normal white paste to golden brown. That is the only time you can flip it. It will start to float by itself. After frying between 2 to 3 minutes, all I had to do is just turn it. I just had to flip it over so the other side can get cooked. My akara is fully cooked because the color is already changing from a normal white paste to golden brown. So time for us to remove this from fire. So in your other bowl, you have to plate it with a tissue to reduce the oil from your akara. So this is what we have. It's so easy, right? So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, would you be recreating this recipe? And mind you, if you're finding any food recipe difficult for you to create, or you don't understand, or you have any question you want to ask me, feel free to drop it in the comment section and I will definitely reply you. Oops, they took the lights. So this is what we have. I paired my akara with custard, and this is what I make for my family every Saturday morning. So let me know in the comment section how I did. Would you be recreating this recipe? Do not forget to watch our other videos. Do not forget to comment on these videos and on other videos. Do not forget to like, comment, share for your friend, and most especially, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.